excited about this. Well, this is the big one. This is the one you've all been waiting for. This is the RX5 K20. This has been well documented in our build process where we've built this car. It's the first one we've built using the Honda Civic Type R from an EP3 engine. And it is super duper comfy. I'm going to start on the inside, and we're sitting in a very luxurious looking and feeling cockpit. So some of the highlights of the cockpit then. We've got padded seats, new diamond stitched padded seats. We've got the padded centre tunnel top, which is rather nice on my leg. I've got a suede steering wheel with indicators on the steering wheel. I've got a carbon dashboard, our branded clocks. It's really nice. Oh, and the best part of this car for me is the windscreen and doors package. This is a rather nice little touring car, I have to say, to start off with. Just feels so compliant. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. It's a 6-speed Mazda MX-5 Mark II gearbox, mated to that 230 horsepower Honda Civic Type R engine. That gearbox feels so smooth, that is just like butter. It is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. I could smash a lot of miles in this car. This is super comfortable, super comfy. I'm barely getting blown about. I'm a little bit higher up with these seats, a little bit taller. But I don't know, there's something about them that just makes you feel, just feels really nice. No whining from the diff because it's that Mazda diff. I've just got that deep burble from the exhaust, and when you pop it into a corner and you, oh, that feels good. That feels really good. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, that's quick. Oh, I didn't see that coming at all. Oh, that VTEC system has got such a lovely little roar to it. Oh, wow. I think I want one of these. I'm sold. Seems like the VTEC comes in about 4,500 RPM. Even not on the VTEC, my goodness, it's quick. Oh, that is nice. That is really, really nice. This is everything that you could want in a car, one of these cars. This is touring. This is power. This is looks. This is the business. One of the features that we've got in this particular car is this 8-channel steering wheel system that we've just developed. So with your indicators left and right, and hopefully you can see that on the camera, we've got indicators left and right, we've got main beam, horn, headlights, side lights, wipers, wash. You've got everything on your fingertips. You don't even have to move, it's so lazy, I love it. But it goes like a blooming rocket. It really does go like a rocket. That caught me off guard, I have to say, and I didn't even wind it up. Now, I knew this car was going to be good, but I didn't realise it was going to be quite that good. Stop this car, we've got the wheelwood calipers on the front, which is the kit that we do to take the Mazda upright and use the big brakes. So we've got 4-pot calipers on the front, we've got standard calipers on the rear with 111/4 pads, just to make it stop that little bit better. 15-inch wheels with the Toyo T1R tyres gives it that little bit of road compliance in the damp, but obviously still quite sticky, so they're absolutely fine for for everyday use. It's designed really as a road car, this car, more than a track day monster, but handling in the corners, not wanting to go too mad with it, obviously. Let the VTEC kick in. Oh, here it comes. Oh, yes. Yes, indeed. Oh, I like that a lot. All in all, super happy with this car. It's a very nice, comfortable driving position. It's very comfortable and easy to drive. You could drive it a very long way. Goes like a rocket, and it goes like a little lamb as well. So you kind of got the best of both worlds. Super happy with this one. Super happy. So much so, I think I'm going to go and get the guys to build one as a demo car. Most definitely. Loving that a lot.